Good morning mga low carber! Okay, gagigising ko lang and iinom na ako ng binabad ko sa tubig. Yan, I think this is one glass with the cloves, with the cinnamon, little pinch of salt and ano ba? Black pepper and Daddy, what you call that? Yung bulaklak? Anis? It's anis, yes, it's help. Kasi marami siyang benefits and properties to our guts. And yan, ininom ko siya. Ang sarap. Parang, ano siya, para sa mga bad bacteria natin sa katawan. So, yan, iba pa yung ginagamit ko, pampaligo ko sa skin ko. Pag merong makati, di na ako bumibili ng mga cream kasi the properties of the cloves is for anti-parasite, anti-inflammation, lots of benefits. So, it's help this one. Yan. Iba yung iniinom ko, iba yung pinang-shower ko sa skin ko. So, I get all benefits na my skin good. Yes. And then, after this, I will drink my coffee with cacao powder. Because cacao powder help me 1 teaspoon. Yes. For repairing cells. So, good morning. Let's go, Pina. Sarap.